quick update here on the 10th early in the morning. So this can do a lot of different things. I'm leaning towards the downside here. This is either going to be 5-wave move down. That's the first most bearish possibility. Or it's going to end up being ABC down. Second bearish possibility. Or the only bullish possibility I see right now is this really needs a hold right here, this low, because otherwise it's going to end up being a 5-wave move, and that would be pretty bearish because that would mean we're in the beginning of a third wave down. So yeah, that low needs to hold here at 405.98. If it breaks, then we're in a fifth wave, because the only other possibility is, I guess there's possibility of this being A, B, C like that, and then we go down more. Or it could be the start of a 5-wave move up. But this is probably the most unlikely, in my opinion, because of the way this move came down and how far it retraced. It's more than likely not a second wave. It's probably a third wave down, and we worked on a fourth wave, we're working on a fifth wave now. That's what I see in the chart. But it could go either way. I'm leaning bearish. We got a supply zone here, and we got a demand zone here. I don't know if it'll hit the demand zone here yet. It's probably going to come down here and then bounce. If it comes down here, it's going to bounce probably into the end of the day, I would imagine. If it makes a new low, it's probably not going to come all the way down here to 403. QQQ, same thing. I'm watching it on lower time frames right now because this right here is most likely the first wave of the overall fifth wave on really low time frames, on the 1-minute time frame. And so I'm just adding some puts if it gets in this area right here. Straight down, doesn't look like a second wave to me. And so for that reason, I think we're probably going to lower lows. And again, same chart as SPY. This could be 1, 2. I'd be looking for like 307.40 for ABC. And we probably would get a fifth wave. Maybe it wouldn't break outside of this demand zone and then bounce. But yeah, that's what I'm leaning towards. On this would end up being 1 like that for either ABC or the third wave. But we'll see. This market's tricky right now. Maybe options will derail this move and it'll end up being, and we'll come up here at the end of the day and go higher. If it does go higher and this ends up being a first wave right here, then I'm looking for a minimum of 324, but probably like 330 to be honest. If we zoom out here on this chart right here, you can see first wave ended at 295, third wave ended at 314. So 333 would be the next stop. However, the timing is probably going to be a little bit off on this parallel line because it would mean we'd have to be at 333 by the 12th, and that's probably not going to happen. So we easily could have topped out here too, guys. So, I mean, you got to look at this. Like, if this is 5 waves, or if this is ABC, I don't know how you characterize this. It could be either one, and I'm not even going to try to guess. It could be a diagonal, or it could be a ABC move. Again, like I showed in past videos, we hit exactly for WXY, and I can see how you call this 5 waves right here from the bottom. But I also can see a diagonal as well. I can also see that. So again, we'll have to just watch and see. But this video is going to be pretty short and sweet for now. I'll do a video later. I'm in some trades right now, and I need to manage those. So I'll put this out. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I'll talk to you in a little bit.